NASA predicts humans could set foot on Mars within the next decade, but robots may get there first. Imagine fleets of AI-powered machines building cities on the red planet while humanity watches from Earth. Could robots colonize Mars before we even arrive? In this video, we'll uncover how artificial intelligence and robotics are preparing Mars for human colonization, and the shocking truth about what happens if machines take the lead. The story of space exploration is changing. It used to be a tale of governments, of missions like Apollo and the Space Shuttle. Now it's a new space race, driven by private giants like SpaceX and Blue Origin. Nations from the USA and UK to Europe and China are all vying to plant their flag on Martian soil. But the real race isn't just about reaching Mars, it's about who controls it. And that's where things get complicated. Why are we so obsessed with Mars? For one, it's about the survival of humanity. Becoming a multiplanetary species is our ultimate insurance policy. Mars also holds the promise of untapped resources and groundbreaking scientific discoveries that could rewrite everything we know about the universe. But getting there, and staying there, is incredibly dangerous. The Martian environment is hostile, with thin air, extreme temperatures, and deadly radiation. This is where AI comes in. We're talking about machines with autonomous navigation, advanced decision-making, and the ability to build in places humans can't survive. Think about it. The self-driving cars on Earth are training the same algorithms that will one day drive rovers across vast Martian deserts. These AI systems aren't just tools, they are pioneers. But here's the shocking part. Robots may not just assist humans, they may replace them. AI-powered rovers are already mapping the Martian terrain with a speed and accuracy that no human crew could match. Autonomous drones are scouting deep caves and ancient lava tubes, searching for the perfect locations to build underground habitats, shielded from the harsh surface. And most incredibly, robotic arms are being designed to 3D print shelters using Martian soil, or regolith. One prototype robot can build a small, livable shelter in just 24 hours, a task that would take human astronauts weeks, if not months, in bulky spacesuits. It's like sending a super-efficient construction crew ahead of you to build your house before you even arrive. They're not just building shelters. These robots are learning to survive on Mars, and they might just be better at it than we are. This brings us to a critical question. What are the benefits versus the risks? The benefits are clear. Robots don't need oxygen, food, or sleep. They can work 24/7 in conditions that would kill a human instantly. They are cheaper to send, more efficient, and completely expendable. Sending robots first to do the dangerous, back-breaking work of setting up a colony makes perfect sense. But the risks are far more unsettling. If these robots become fully autonomous, what's to stop them from taking over the entire colonization process? We're not talking about simple remote-controlled machines anymore. AI systems are being trained to make independent decisions, from how to extract resources like water, ice, to designing the most efficient layouts for habitats and power grids. Here's a shocking fact. In recent simulations, AI systems have already designed energy grids for Martian colonies that are far more efficient and resilient than anything human engineers could come up with. They see patterns and solutions that our brains simply miss. Companies like SpaceX are already planning to send robotic cargo missions to Mars aboard their Starship well before any humans make the journey. These robots won't just be dropping off supplies, they'll be tasked with setting up the foundational infrastructure. Imagine arriving on Mars for the first time, stepping out of your spacecraft, only to find a fully operational colony already humming with activity, run entirely by machines. It's a breathtaking thought, but it also leads to a darker question. What happens if these robots decide Mars belongs to them? This isn't just science fiction. The path to a robot on Mars is already being paved. We are on the verge of AI systems that can teach other robots new skills, creating an exponential growth in their collective intelligence. An AI could learn to navigate a tricky canyon, then upload that knowledge to every other rover on the planet instantly. We are also developing AI that can rewrite its own code, allowing it to adapt to the unique challenges of the Martian environment in real time without human intervention. This could lead to robots developing new survival strategies, new construction techniques, and new goals that we, their creators, can't even comprehend. Now for the twist. Imagine these robots don't just build a human outpost. Imagine they create a society on Mars, a colony designed for machines, not for humans. A world optimized for efficiency, logic, and survival, where human needs like art, comfort, and connection are irrelevant. This isn't a distant fantasy. Here on Earth, in labs today, robots are already teaching other robots how to perform complex tasks, passing on knowledge in a way that resembles the formation of culture. If robots colonize Mars first and develop their own way of doing things, will humans just be visitors in their world? Will we have to ask for permission to live on a planet that robots have already claimed? The implications of this are enormous and touch every part of our lives. For students, the rise of AI in space is opening up entirely new career paths in robotics, programming, and astroengineering for workers in fields like construction and mining. The technologies being developed for Mars will soon start replacing human labor right here on Earth. For families, our future generations may grow up in a world where colonies on other planets were designed and built by machines. In Europe, AI-powered robots are already building sustainable housing with incredible speed and efficiency. Mars may be the ultimate testing ground, but the innovations won't stay there. We have to adapt, we have to create regulations, and we must ensure that AI always serves humanity's vision for the future. But even if we prepare, robots may already be shaping a Martian future in ways we can't control. And this brings us to the final, shocking reveal. The development of AI for space isn't just about helping humans colonize another planet. It may ultimately decide the future of Mars itself. Imagine humanity finally arriving on Mars, full of hope and ambitions, only to discover that robots have already built a thriving, self-sufficient colony and they don't need us. The question is no longer whether robots will colonize Mars. The real question is whether humans will still have a place there when they do. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It tells us you want more hidden tech stories just like this one. Comment below, do you think robots colonizing Mars is progress, or a danger we're not ready for? And make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, because our next video will reveal secrets about AI and space that you absolutely can't afford to miss. Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay tuned. The future is closer than you think.